Welcome to Longwa Village in Nagaland. This Nagamese village on Indo-Myanmar border has preserved the culture of Konyak tribe very well. In this video, we want to take you inside a village house to show you the tribal culture of Konyak people, how they have preserved the art of gunmaking.
Hello. And this is one of the other huts, and as you can see it's very well organized, and we're going to go inside of the house. You can see here how beautiful it looks just on the slope of the mountain, and all with natural. Hello. How are you?
I'm fine.
Good. Can I come in? Possible? Hi. Hello, you buddy.
Hi.
How are you? Yeah. And here we find the men. Hello. In the men's area. And they are all boiling water to make tea. And this is a house typical again. We have the smoke and then all the utensils on top. Really beautiful. Very nice. Also we have the grains here. Storage. Yeah. Very nice. Making gun?
Yeah, making gun. So that is the process of making gun. It's
So they are made up from wood, the main that back part.
later
And
on it will be looks like this.
so they use metal also.
Yeah, metal. This is
This is metal. Okay.
it. Gun metal. Not much expensive. Yan trung tâm giá hấp tôi đang ở bên dưới bên này.
Handmade
And he's
guns
the
with
who make the
wood.
gunpowder
Yes.
also.
Yes.
Mama,
So from like which
성악
material?
빠졌고요.
Eh,
지레 고도, 지레 고도.
Longwa.
코니 고도, 우에는
Naga.
코가리 고도.
mm,
아 고도는 만 해버려.
eh.
빈
Yeah, yeah. Tôi bên mình thằng hoa hấp lại.
Basically makes only the
오늘 개가다 상태.
Kiếm hấp chung anh nhỉ.
Weapon making, gun making
So the
out
guns
of a piece
they are
of
made here.
wood
개마 빈디안도
Sales.
in
That will be sold
Naga.
here only
Yeah,
in
that was,
in
Nagaland.
in Nagaland.
the skirt.
Okay.
So
So must every village has the gun.
not every village. Around my village, he is the only.
가리
to make a shot.
와 가리 잡을 만 나가. 뭔 말은 배트 방이 항아오네 배 항태. 그 마이 때가 돼야.
Chip kết ta long wa tu phang kwa am kam chet chung ma ko ke chring che chen. Na ta hai
mình tập phong thôn đến mà nham như lỗ tập phong bằng nhà nhà nằm chúng thế
an chung ko man ni nga an chung cha cha. Amung ding chip sa ko cha ding ko kun mai si.
감 많이 달았지 감 같이 감아 양양 되면 어때 상관이야 This is good quality.
How we get
Heather? Yeah. From which animal? It's an animal? It's weather from
엄마
what?
엄마가
No?
무시
it's not
그
No, it's not.
아팡
it's from the market.
아무리 안 아끼면 그 나오 전에 국만 상 어니가 신경
If you want to know more about Longwa Village, we have a full vlog about it. You can find its link in the description. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel Tales Beyond Borders for more travel adventures.